Hi, Cassius! I swear to God, this kid tests me so... Cassius! This is him. This is him. He's behind this thing. Get out. Get out. Okay. You can see, like, it's moving. Do you see that? Yeah. It's because he's trying to tear it down. Cassius! Okay, so we're just gonna forget about that. I'm really sorry. I did try to do this video with just like a blank white background and it looked like I was being interrogated or something. I just didn't like the way it looked. Not that I know what it's like to be interrogated. Stop! Literally, down. Okay, you're getting locked away. This is what happens when you don't listen. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a different video. I am doing a hair video on this look right here. Casey just told me he didn't like it, but that's okay. He doesn't know what he's talking about. Anyways, I'm still uploading this video regardless. Elephant in the room, I have a pimple in the middle of my forehead or in the middle of my eyebrows, and just ignore it. It literally is making me insane. Every day I wake up, I'm like, I'm an esthetician, so I know not to touch it, otherwise it'll like spread. Leave it be, let it do its thing, and it's almost gone. I was going to put on glasses to film this video so that it covered it, but then I thought I was preach, like, who gives a shit what people think about you? So I don't really care. I break out just like everyone else does. Even though I'm 30 years old, I think that I'll probably break out more now because life gets more stressful the older that you get. So if you want to see how I got this hair look, then just keep watching. That's what people always say.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna say. So if you want to see how I got this hair look and you're not completely bored and annoyed with me yet, then just keep watching. Doing a holiday hair look with a straightener that is easy. And oh, I'm getting text messages, sorry. So I wanted to make things affordable for you guys. The hairspray by Tresemme. This is in like the travel section at Target. And what I like to do first, and I am by no means a hairdresser, by no means. Like, I did go to beauty school, but not for that. Like, I know nothing about hair. Don't think that you're getting a real professional like hairdo if you follow this. So I just put hairspray, like I lightly spray it. I don't like spray it right here. I just like lightly go like that, like all throughout my hair first. I don't know why, I just always have. And now I section my hair off, and then I just use my hair tie. Some people use a clip. And then I'm going to separate my hair. And I spray it again on each strand. Any straightener will do. Take it from here, and then I just go away from the face. Be careful because it's hot. I reach around and then grab this, and you can bring it like kind of as low or as high as you want to. I like them up higher, and then I leave. Do you see how much like I've left? And then I kind of just go like that. And I don't know if you guys can see. It'll look better once it's all done, okay? I promise. That I take bigger pieces like on the bottom than I will on the top. My bosses who own the salon that I work at, they're obviously cosmetologists and they do hair, and they're probably gonna watch this and be like, oh my God, she does not know what she's talking about. Okay, you don't just wanna like hold it here because you're gonna get that like kinky, weird straightener look. So you just want to like kind of bring it down, but like I said, I still leave like a lot out. And then yeah, so I keep moving it, and then I just like let it go. Remember, away from the face. I'm probably gonna speed this part up because it's gonna be really boring just to sit here and watch me curl my hair. So I'll speed it up now. It's just like glory be to God when the last layer of hair is about to be curled. You're just like, oh, I'm almost done. Praise baby Jesus. This one's already like pretty much done. Okay, so I just curled it and it looks terrible right now, but I'm gonna wait for it all to dry. Or, I mean, not dry, like cool. I'm gonna wait for it to cool because it's all like hot. That's the most important thing. Wait until it's cooled down before you do anything. Okay, so now I literally just run my hands through. Okay, I zoomed out a little bit so you guys can kind of see more how it's like curled. I mean, it has like something to it. This one's bugging me. I don't know, I just really like this look. And I think it's pretty easy. The timer on my camera says 14 minutes I've been filming, so it really hasn't taken that long for me to curl it. Plus I've been talking and stuff. I think honestly it looks even better with people who have shorter hair than I do, because then it's not such a long, you know, long straight part. But this one's gonna bug me too. And yeah, I just literally like mess with it. Like a Pantene commercial. Okay. So Casey just said he didn't like my hair. It's really great. You said what? I said, does it look good? And I said, do you like my hair? You said it looked crazy. Yeah. It's not what I want to hear. Okay, so this is the look. It might look crazy to some of you, like Casey, but this is just what I like. I think it's really fun and kind of messy. I really like hate curls that are like perfect. You know, I like more of a beach wave and stuff, and I really do like when things are like straight and curled at the same time. Super easy to do. I definitely recommend doing it with a straightener more than a curler, because the straightener is gonna have like more flatter curls that you want. Like this will definitely like tame down and just gonna give it some like texture right here. Yeah, anyways, I just think that it makes my hair look fuller. I really, really love this look, and I hope you guys do too. Unlike Casey, that is it. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.